make sure you're working on the same one. So I try and get, in a perfect world, all three of these blades are going to wear exactly evenly. Odds are they're going to be off by just a little bit though. So what you have to do is when you start adjusting the blade and you start getting closer to the tolerance that you're at, you figure out which blade's your tightest, and then you adjust for that tightest blade. So like if I start adjusting this one up and I notice blade 3 is the tightest, I'll get blade 3 set, and then you check blade 1 and 2. The gap will be a little bit bigger, but it'll still be, that's about as good as you can do.
Okay.
And then when you get to the back blade, same thing. Probably the blade that was the tightest up front should be the tightest in the back. You'll kind of adjust it to that and then go from there. So what we need to do is, I like to start with the front blade. It's just a little bit easier to work on.
Right.
So we're just going to loosen up these 3 Allen bolts here just a little bit. We want to keep them snug so the blade doesn't just fall out, because all that's doing is just this bottom piece here, it's just pinching the blade in there.
Okay.
With those being tight, and as soon as you loosen them up, it releases that pressure, and then you can use the jacking bolts just to jack it out a little bit.
Okay.
So we'll just break those free, and then we can start adjusting it.